Hello everyone, greetings from Aventure Career Consultants. Guys, today I am going to tell you the use of has, have, had as main verb. So guys, these are used as main verb when these mean possession or ownership of something. And as far as tense is concerned, in present simple tense we use has or have, and in case of past simple tense we use had. So let's start with the present simple tense. In case of affirmative sentence, the sentence structure is subject, verb and object. Has is used when the subject is having singular noun or he, she, it. Whereas with the plural noun or I, we, you, they, we use have. So let's understand these with the help of examples. She has a great job. I have an Oxford dictionary. He has blue eyes. They have a great boss. So guys, this is all about affirmative sentences. Now let's start with negative ones. Here, the sentence starts with do or does depending on the subject. Then it is followed by not and have. The sentence structure is subject, do or does, then not, then have, then object. So guys, here rather saying do not or does not, we can say don't or doesn't. Both are acceptable. So let's understand with a few examples. She doesn't have a horrible job. You don't have the biggest Oxford dictionary. He doesn't have green eyes. We don't have a mean boss. So guys, now let's start with interrogative sentences. Here we start the sentence with either do or does and it is followed by have. Sentence structure is do or does, subject, verb, object. So guys, let's understand with few examples. Does she have a red pen? Do boys have mobile phones? Does Sam have a car? Do they have football? So guys, now let's start with interrogative and negative sentences. Here the rule is to use don't or doesn't with have, and the sentence structure is doesn't or don't, then subject, verb, object. The examples for the same are doesn't he have his own book to read? Don't you have an idea? Doesn't doctor have a lot of experience? Don't they have complaint against their boss? So guys, this is all about present simple tense. I suggest you to practice, try to make sentences on your own. Now let's start with past simple tense. Here only had is used. It doesn't matter the subject of the sentence is singular or plural. Verb is always had when it means possession or ownership of something. The sentence structure is subject, verb, object. The examples for the same are I had a remote car, they had toys, she had two children. Here time is previous, it is past always. So guys, let's start with negative sentences. In this case, we use did not and have. As did is second form of do and have is first form. So rule is always same. We use did not plus first form. So have is first form of had. That's why have has been used here. The sentence structure for the same is subject, didn't have, object. The examples are they didn't have healthy food. She didn't have a choice. I didn't have a test in the morning. So guys, let's start with the next type of sentences, that is interrogative sentence. In this case, we start the sentence with did, which is followed by subject, verb, object and question mark is at the end. So guys, examples are did you have a ball? Did she have her own umbrella? Did they have their books? Did the boys have dinner on time? So guys, next category is interrogative and negative sentences. Here we start the sentence with didn't, which is followed by subject, verb and object. and question mark comes at the end. So guys, the examples for the same are, didn't they have a laptop? Didn't she have a basket of flowers? Didn't you have a notebook? Didn't we have water bottles? So guys, this is all about the use of has, have, had in present and past simple tense in different types of sentences. Hope it is quite clear to you. You have understood the concept. I'll definitely come with more videos. Kindly subscribe our channel. Thank you very much.